Woohoo! Oh man, this is great. What a day. I can't believe how good things are out here. Woohoo! Whoa! Oh, hey guys. Oh, I just figured, since we've been talking about slope, I take this opportunity to get out, hit the slopes myself. So I'm out here skiing today, and man, it is great. You can see it's a beautiful day. Whew. By the way, if any of you guys can tell where I'm skiing right now, I would encourage you to write a comment below this and tell me, just to keep us kind of connected there. So remember, since we have been talking about slope, and remember that slope every time is the change in y over the change in x. And yesterday we were looking at slope from a table where you see a series of different numbers. So we have to always remember to look at the y's and how the y's change as you go from one value to the next. And that's your change in y. And that goes over your change in your x. And again, look at the pattern of how your x's change as you go value to value. That change in y over change in x gives you your slope. Remember, slope talks about the direction and the steepness of a certain line. Kind of like these slopes behind me. There's a couple steep ones and a little bit flatter ones that I think I'll be a little bit more comfortable on. Now, today, for your assignments, you're going to have a few things to do. You have an instruction section, and remember, it's best to look back at that classwork tab up at the top of your screen. If you go to classwork, you'll see everything set up in different groups. There'll be instruction for today where there's 2 videos. You got to go and take a look at those 2 videos, watch the videos, and it's going to talk about something new, something called slope-intercept form of a line. Slope being the steepness and direction of the line, and also intercept, where the line crosses something, where it intercepts something, specifically the y-intercept. It's going to tell us where the line crosses the y-axis. These videos will tell you a little bit about what's called slope-intercept form and how we can find slope and the y-intercept just by looking at an equation. Those 2 videos will be into the instruction section. Again, make sure that you mark as done when you're done watching them. Then you're going to have a practice section. And in the practice section, it's going to go back to Khan Academy, and there's a lot of written notes, but don't just blow over these. Read through them. And also know that within the notes, there's certain questions that you have to answer. Click it, and it'll give you feedback on whether you're doing it right again. After that, and you've done all of those things and marked those as done, you're going to have a homework assignment. And that homework assignment is called finding slope from the y-intercept from an equation. And that's going to be on big ideas. Make sure that as you're doing the big ideas work, you're checking your work, referring to those notes, and if you're having questions, that you reach out to me as well. So I think that pretty much covers everything. So with no further ado, I'm going to click back into my skis and I'm going to go shred some gnar, man. So, hey, so until next time, take it easy. See ya. Bye.